The WHILL Model FI comes standard with an under-seat storage basket to carry everything from groceries to your personal belongings. Remove the storage basket from the box to ensure that all pieces are available. This includes the fabric basket with 6 brackets attached to the basket straps and 6 bolts. To start, remove the seat cushion and fold down the back support. From under the seat, starting with the tapered end of the basket, place the 2 brackets around the rear post. Next, place the 2 brackets on the top front of the basket around the long portion of the leg frame. Follow this by placing the 2 brackets at the bottom of the basket around the vertical posts of the footplate frame. Locate the 2 straps at the rear bottom of the basket, as well as the 2 hooks near the brake release lever near the battery. Run 1 strap through each hook and tighten using the buckle. Repeat this with the second strap. Finally, using the bolts provided, use a Phillips screwdriver to securely tighten each bracket to the device. When tightening the brackets on the footrest post, ensure the bracket does not get in the way of the front caster wheel. The basket can remain on the device when folded. Be sure to remove items from the basket before folding the device. Installation is now complete. Return the backrest to the upright position and place the cushion back on the seat pan. Admire your work again, because you deserve it.